And that is the Central Park building. There's some people at the back there who came to do this event. 1,096 stairs. Fun event, lots of people over here. I think it's made its most amount of people that it's ever had, raised the most amount of charity. I got myself a shiny medal. I'm happy with the event. Oh, it's a video. Come say hi.
Hi,
say hi.
So, this guy did very well.
No, what time did you do?
11:02.
Ooh, that's very quick.
Not too bad.
I managed to make myself.
You did
well. I did all right. I think I managed in 19:56 seconds.
That's very good, mate.
We could have done better. I could have done better. So, are you happy with the event?
I'm happy. Yeah, didn't train enough.
Yeah. Oh, these are the sponsors, by the way, of the event.
Sponsors.
Cool. Yeah. But yeah,
fantastic event.
Yeah, it was a fun event.
That's right. You're gonna come back next year.
That's the objective, I think.
Very good. Yes. Good idea.
So, signing off from Perth. We'll catch you later. Bye.